super sorry. Don't eat yet, Mama. Don't eat yet. I'm so sorry about my hair. We just came home. Oh my God, my brain. No, wait, Mama. I'm so sorry about my hair. We just came home from the beach, which is why
Nobody
I look like
cares
this.
about your hair.
But yeah, okay, let's do the taste test. It's hot, Mama.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You could also add like vanilla sauce to it or vanilla ice cream or something, but I'm too lazy to make it now. It's so good, guys. It's approved by my mom. How many stars?
0.
Has this become like a theme?
+1. Oh, +9. +10. +10.
0 plus 10? That's 10.
10 out of 100.
Ooh. Okay, this is a great kind of chillax Friday dessert.
It took you 1 hour to do.
No, I mean to eat it. You can eat it like in front of the TV.
Fosters.
We are going to be watching the Fosters. We have curly fries and this.
Too rich. Love.
It's going to be a good night.
Too rich.
So anyways, guys, if you try it out, make sure to tell me. And also, if you have an Instagram or Twitter, tweet the picture to me. I would love to see it. I really get so excited when I see you guys make the food. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Check out my mom's channels. Of course, she has 3 channels now again. Vlogging channels. Can you tell Mama? I don't remember all the names.
Scorpio and YT. Scorpio and ASMR.
Oh, Scorpio and YT. No, that's not good. Scorpio and YT is for ASMR and non-ASMR. And it's her main channel, Scorpio and YT. Scorpio and
ASMR
Vlogs is for vlogs. And there she speaks sometimes Tagalog and English. And then there's Scorpio and ASMR, which is ASMR strictly only. Is that correct? Okay. So anyways, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I will see you next Wednesday. Bye, everyone. We love you.